What's the meaning of balance of trade? Balance of trade. Balance of trade.
Balance of trade. Balance of trade. The balance of trade refers to the difference in value between a country's imports and exports of goods and services over a given period of time. Specifically, it is the value of a country's exports minus its imports. A positive balance of trade, or trade surplus, occurs when a country exports more than it imports, while a negative balance of trade, or trade deficit, occurs when a country imports more than it exports. The balance of trade is an important metric of a country's economic health, as it can impact the value of its currency, trade relations with other countries, and overall economic growth.